Here we have some American Standard air conditioners that I filmed several years ago. Really bad video. Allegiance 16. Sound blanket. The compressor's kind of worn out. There. It's from 2009. It's a 3-ton. Here's two that are running. Line's very cold and sweaty. This one's from 2010. It's a 5-ton. I imagine they have Alliance scroll compressors in the blankets. That one's from 2009, it's a 3-ton. Here's an LG mini split dual inverter unit, which I don't remember being here. I think it's new. Looks like it's a 9,000 BTU. Here's an American Standard silver. From 2021, it's a 4-ton. It's cold and sweaty. Another Allegiance 16 from 2009, 3-ton.